Hello, my name is Brian. I talk about me in Opinion Say. Hello, my name is Brian. I am 27 years old and I am Peruvian and I study mechatronic engineer at Continental University. And I have a part-time job. My life is quite busy. Every day I wake up at 6:30 a.m. and I start my day with a cup of coffee while I review my weekly schedule. At the moment, I am studying for my final exams and another class at University Continental. Um, I am also working part-time as a junior technician in a company. This routine helps my start organized, although I often feel tired by the end of the day. However, mm, the last few months were not easy. Last semester, I had a work full time while I was preparing for my partial exam. The stress affected my sleep and I was constantly feeling overwhelmed because I didn't have enough time to get a good rest. I was a challenging period that tested my resilience, but I taught me the importance of time management. Fortunately, things have improved recently. I have started a new sub course to broaden my professional opportunities, and I have also achieved a better balance between my responsibilities. These changes have allowed me to focus more on my long-term goal and feels more confident about my technical skill. Recording my possibilities. I need to improve in some areas. For example, I have attended all my virtual class and submit my assignments on time. At my job last month, I have to work weekends. I had to work on weekends, which was exhausting. But now I don't have to do that anymore. However, I cannot be late to work because punctuality is strictly required. I used to not have the time to organize my own schedule, but now I have more flexibility. Comparing my situation, I can that my life is more demanding than it was 2 years ago, but it's also more rewarding. My current job is better than my previous one because the work environment is friendly and the salary is here. In fact, this is the most challenging but also the most exciting stage of my life so far. In conclusion, I don't mind studying and working simultaneously because I love seeing my own progress every day. All of this experience have been essential for my growth, although some moments were extremely difficult. Both my past struggle and my current achievements have shaped my character. None of them were in vain, and I felt ready to embrace the future with a more organized and positive mindset. Thank you.